Christ alone, cornerstone, weak made strong in the Savior's arm. Through the storm, He is our Lord of all, Lord of all.
Thank you.